We'll start this project with a medium-size brush and beige paint. First, we'll create an outline of an oval on the left side of the artwork. Then we'll paint it in. After washing and wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in light blue paint. Next, we'll create an outline of the head. Now we'll outline the beard and the right side of Santa's belly. Next, we'll create an outline of the right arm and right mitten. We'll keep using medium-sized brush and light blue paint to create an outline of the background. We'll switch to a large brush to paint in the rest of the background. We'll use medium-sized brush and red paint to outline the head. We'll skip some space between the head and beige oval. Next, you can paint the head in. Now we'll outline and paint in the right sleeve and the mitten. We'll keep a little bit of space between them. Next, we'll outline and paint in the rest of Santa's coat. We'll paint a red circle for a nose. After washing and wiping your brush, we'll dip it in light pink and we'll create an oval on each cheek. Next, we'll switch to a small brush and we'll paint a triangle under the nose. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and green paint. We'll paint a present in Santa's hand. First we'll create an outline, then we'll paint it in. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint and create a straight line across Santa's body for a belt. Next, we can switch to a small brush. We'll use black paint to create two small arches for eyes. Next, we'll wash our brush in water and wipe it with paper towel. Next, using tip of the small brush and white paint, we'll create snowflakes on top of blue background. We'll add small white dots between larger snowflakes. Next, we'll paint eyebrows by slightly tapping our brush to create two arches. We'll use the same technique to paint mustache between nose and mouth. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush to paint beard and hair of the Santa. We'll paint white fur between Santa's head and face. Next, we'll add a round pompon on the tip of the head. Now we can add fur between the mitten and sleeve. We'll add fur connecting Santa's beard and the bottom of the artwork. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint to create two ribbons. One will connect top and bottom, and one will connect sides of the present. We'll switch to a small brush to paint a bow on top of the present. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow paint to create a yellow rectangle on top of the belt. After washing and wiping your brush, we'll use white paint to add highlights. We'll add a thin line next to the edges of the head, sleeve, side of Santa's coat, and a mitten. We'll add highlights on top of the belt and present. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.